This is uncharted territory for all of us, but one thing's the same. The Executive Auto Group's commitment to you, our valued customers. That's the Executive Way. Our local factory-certified service centers at all our stores have been cleaned and sanitized. We're committed to following CDC guidelines for a safe environment for you and our employees. Our service technicians will be wearing masks and gloves while they work on your vehicle. If you're waiting on site, you'll have a place that's clean, sanitized, and a safe distance from other customers. And of course, when we're through, we'll thoroughly clean and sanitize your vehicle and make sure it's safe for you to drive home. We know how important it is to have a safe and reliable vehicle, and we're here to help. You can schedule your service online at executiveautogroup.com or give us a call at one of our 11 locations that's convenient for you. Together, we'll get through these challenging times. That's the Executive Way.